Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto security more important than ever, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect your investments. This guide is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with some XRP in it, your Ledger Nano X device set up and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so proceed with caution and never share your private keys. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Head over to your dashboard and find the XRP section. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. In your XRP wallet on Coinbase, select the option to withdraw or send funds. You'll need to enter the recipient address, so keep that handy. Step 3. On your Ledger Nano X, open the XRP app by navigating through the device menu. Once it's open, connect your Ledger to your computer via USB and unlock it with your PIN. Step 4. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your XRP account. This will display your public wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Step 5. Back on Coinbase, paste the Ledger XRP address into the recipient field. Double-check it to ensure there are no typos, as that could mean losing your funds forever. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees. Step 6. Review the transaction details on Coinbase, then confirm the send. On your Ledger device, you'll see a prompt to approve the transaction. Verify it and press the buttons to confirm. Once the transfer is complete, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion, check your Ledger Live app to see your XRP balance updated. Congrats, you've successfully secured your XRP. A quick tip: always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.